Intensive Agriculture Area Program. IAAP. This stands for Intensive Agriculture Area Program. This program was launched in the year 1964 and it worked till 1965. This was recommended under the third five-year plan, which was from 1961 to 66. The basic objective behind this program was the development of scientific and progressive agriculture in an intensive manner in those areas who have high production potential. So under this program, 20 to 25% of the cultivated area of the country was earmarked and selected for intensive agricultural development. Initially, when this program was launched, this came into operation in 114 districts of the country, and later on it was extended to 150 districts. The aim of this program was increasing food grain on selected area and for some selected crops, and it also aimed at extending the benefits of important technology at very low cost and with reduced staff. However, IAP was a less intensive extension program in comparison to IADP because the criteria for selection of area was only based on the predominant crops and the well-developed infrastructure facilities of that area. However, in case of IADP, many other components were taken into consideration like assured irrigation facilities, minimum natural hazards, and well-developed cooperatives. The major achievement of this program was it increased the crop production in the country by exploiting the land resources. It led to an effective coordination between officials and non-officials, and it helped in the multiplication of improved seeds and their distribution to all the cultivable areas as much as possible. It led to the use of interrelated factors of physical, social, institutional, and it was followed in a strategic combination. But there were some limitations of this program. The limitations were there was a weakness or deficiency in the interagency and interpersonal coordination. There was inadequate staff motivation. There were some malpractices also, and there was a delay in the delivery of inputs to the farmers. Besides these limitations, this program was a successful project because it helped in increasing the crop production to a greater extent in comparison to IADP. Thank you.